Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well, and this is a question paper of class ninth, social science. First is reason assertion ka question. Northern Plains is considered to be very fertile. It is formed by deposition of alluvium at the foothills of Himalayas. Poet Roget something something de Leslie या पता नहीं क्या ही composed a famous patriotic song. It was sung for the first time by volunteers marching to Paris. It was named after the place marked as A. दिख रहा होगा ये, ठीक है ना. On the given map of France where they started. Name it. Mr. Singh application was rejected as the post was reserved for SC candidates, but he belonged to general category. Which of the following is true with reference to this? Fundamental right. Government has right to reserve some post for SC ST. एंड ऑप्शन नीचे दिए हुए हैं. रीज़न असर्शन जैसा लग रहा है मेरे को तो ट्रू फॉल्स के फॉर्म में है. अरेंज द 4 seasons in the chronological order of calendar year starting from March. अच्छा. Advancing monsoon, cold weather, hot weather, retreating monsoon. नीचे ऑप्शन है, you can select. It is a significant step towards providing elementary education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14. Time-bound initiative of central government, the partnership with the states, local government and community for achieving goal of universalization of elementary education. Identify it. अच्छा आगे बढ़ते हैं यार. Which of the following योजना has been launched to bring assisted poor families above the poverty line by organizing them into self-help group through a mix of bank credit and government subsidy? प्रधानमंत्री नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट अंत्योदया. ओके. स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना. या मेरे को तो लग रहा है मैंने उसमें पढ़ा था इंडियन इकोनॉमिक्स में. ठीक है. एनालाइज द गिवन इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड चूज विच ग्रुप is the information talking about. Okay, radical, Democrats, liberal, conservative. They tolerated all religion, wanted individual right for the citizen, and elected parliament. They were not in favor of giving women the right to vote. कौन है भाई ये? Political party in Zimbabwe helped its country to gain independence from minority, from white minority. जिम्बाब्वे का मैंने पढ़ा हुआ है. पॉल साइंस में भी था यार ये तो. नेम द पर्सन विद द हेल्प ऑफ गिवन इन्फॉर्मेशन. ही एम्ड फुल प्रोडक्शन, फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट थ्रू स्टेट फंडेड वर्क क्रिएशन प्रोग्राम. एडवाइज हिटलर अगेंस्ट इन्वेस्टिंग hugely in rearmament as a state still ran on deficit planning. Goebbels, Helmut, Hjalmar Schacht, Franklin Roosevelt. Identify painter who painted preparatory sketch for a large painting of tennis court, oath which was intended to be hung in the National Assembly. Which of the following places is located on the 3 seas? आगे क्या ही क्वेश्चन है, बहुत बड़ा सा, आप देख लीजिए प्लीज़. Which of the following is true with reference to Chief Election Commissioner? Okay, who is the writer of the books Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital? Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which state? Ganga and Brahmaputra river join together to form what? Revamped public distribution system provides benefit to whom? Which sector include mining and quarrying? Which feature of democratic government is being denied in the statement given below? Until 2015 in Saudi Arabia, women did not have the right to vote. 4 ऑप्शंस दिख रहे होंगे. आई होप द क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी वेरी क्लियरली विजिबल. एंड ये भी मौसम विहार DAV का ही क्वेश्चन पेपर है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. ओके, सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज ट्रू अबाउट इलेक्शन? द सिस्टम ऑफ अपार्थाइड इन साउथ अफ्रीका, इसके बारे में पढ़ा है मैंने. वॉज अनजस्ट एंड रेसिस्ट. सपोर्ट द स्टेटमेंट विद 2 points. पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम हैज फेस क्रिटिसिज्म ऑन सेवरल ग्राउंड्स. राइट एनी 2. Why would a firm not like to employ a worker with ill health? How does it affect the working environment? What was the condition of women in France before the revolution? Explain 2 points. क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है ना कि सोशल साइंस में हमारा हिस्ट्री, जोग्राफ़ी सभी आ जाता है, तो सबका मिक्सचर ही लग रहा है मेरे को, तो सब पढ़ा हुआ लग रहा है. कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आए तो पूछ सकते हैं. What are the functions of election commissioner? Explain the 3 dimensions of food security. India is aiming at self-sufficiency in food grains as independence. Elaborate. Explain threefold plan of Hitler becoming Chancellor of Germany to consolidate the Nazi power. Peace treaty at Versailles. Why पड़ी हुई है. With the Allies was a harsh and humiliating peace. Explain the statement with any three example. How is social exclusion both a cause and effect of poverty? Explain the principal measures taken in Punjab, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh to reduce poverty. Which river is known as Dakshin Ganga? Describe its two main features. Describe any three main features of Ganga river system. What were the main changes introduced by Bolsheviks immediately after the October Revolution? What are the Stalin's collectivization program? भाई पढ़ा हुआ है मैंने ये. Any two merits and demerits of electoral competition in India. सब कुछ पढ़ा हुआ है, कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं बेझिझक, मैं बता दूंगी. Measures taken by government to reduce poverty. How can relief features of the northern plains be described based on the variations in its topography? Feature that divides peninsular plateau into two parts. Differentiate between Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat. हमेशा आता है प्रश्न हमेशा. Read the following extract and answer the questions. National Assembly met at Weimar. Established democratic constitution with federal structure. Deputies were now elected to German parliament or Riksdag on the basis of equal and universal votes cast by all adults, including women. Read the following extract and answer the questions. एक second. I hope the extract is like very, very, very clearly visible. And last में we have something like this. Name the season mentioned above. This season begins in the month of what? Two characteristics of this season. And यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पेपर जो है ना वो समाप्त होता है. थैंक यू सो मच अपना कीमती टाइम निकाल कर कीमती वीडियो देखने के लिए. And keep supporting Jigyasa Jaggu for more videos.